Unless you've been living under a rock, you guys have probably heard on the news about the federal government shutdown. For most of us, it doesn't have a great impact, but you've heard those awful stories of all the people who are having troubles figuring out how to juggle their finances, what to prioritize. Is it pay for your medications or pay for your kids' daycare? Unfortunately for all those people, we have no necessary end in sight. We don't know when this thing's gonna end. In the insurance industry, it's obviously concerning because people have their homes insured through our office, their cars insured, lots of other things that make sense that they want to make sure are paid. And this is one of those times that the insurance industry sometimes gets a bad rap about being out for money, but you can see that there is a human element. So when we have the choice to work with several different carriers, we get to see how some of those companies take the chance to be leaders and be the first ones to set the trend. And I'm really happy to see this morning I got an email that Safeco Insurance, one of our top carriers, was the first company to come out and say that they have a devoted plan and team in their billing department to help those that are directly affected by the federal government shutdown. So that basically means that, look, if you're one of those people that is out there or you know someone that is employed by the federal government and part of these, missing paychecks, that you have the option to contact Safeco and they'll work with adjusting your billing for as long as need be. They've come out and said, look, we realize this is something totally out of your control and we want to be there for you. And in a time where people are strapped for cash figuring it out, it's so great to know that a company that we do a lot of business with is willing to step by side and make sure that, hey, we're not going to let you have a lapse in your car coverage. We're not going to let your home have any sort of jeopardized coverage because the government is shut down. There are lots of companies out there doing good, and far too often we only hear about the bad. We wanted to help make sure that the good news about Safeco being one of the first people to jump out about billing adjustments was out there. You can get a hold of us. The information is down below. But here at Shutdown Insurance, we just love sharing when either we are doing good, or one of our companies is doing good. So if you have any questions, you can contact us at the information below. But thanks for tuning in.